If you're a CPA or enrolled agent, you read IRS transcripts every week. But most professionals read them the slow way. Here's the fast way. Step 1. Skip to the bottom. The most recent transaction codes are at the top of the list, but the cycle code and filing date at the bottom tell you when the return was actually processed. Step 2. Scan for 4 codes. 150 means the return posted. 846 means a refund was issued. 570 means there's a hold. 971 means a notice went out. Those 4 codes tell you 80% of the story. Step 3. Check the dates. Transaction dates tell you when the IRS took action. The cycle code tells you which weekly processing batch the return is in. Step 4. Look for adjustments. Codes in the 290 range mean the IRS changed something. Compare the amounts to what was filed. That's it. 4 steps, 60 seconds, and you know where your client stands. Or upload the transcript to Tax Transcript AI and get a plain English report in seconds. Link in the description.